Hey there, it's Beth from Rock Your Notebook, and I'm just gonna pop up here with a really quick journal with me video. And I've got a brand new A5 Tomoe River Notebook. It's got a dot grid on it, and I just want to get back to some me time and having a place to spew thoughts. I have lately been doing this inside my bullet journal, and um, I felt like I needed to get back to actually having a place to just be artsy and document the things and the thoughts that are in my mind. So what I did here is I have a very old stencil. It's a paper stencil from Faber-Castell. It still works perfectly though. And a Distress Oxide and um, oh goodness, something sage it's called, and one of those ink blending tools that I got from scrapbook.com, and I just rubbed that through the stencil there. In hindsight, I probably should have hit it with the heat gun a little bit just to make sure the distress ink was fully dry, because it wasn't fully dry when I started writing on it. So then all I'm doing here is I have a box of elements that you see, and it's just things that I've collected that are either cut out or scraps of things, and I'm just hunting through it to find things to slap down on this page. Um, there was no thought process behind this page when I sat down. It was just, I want a journal and I want it to look cute and pretty. Um, So those are some really old washi stickers, and on floral that I had in my stash, as well as this funky little cupcake. I cannot remember where I got it from, but it's a printable, and I just printed it out and cut it with my Cricut. And adding these this washi tape, two spots in the notebook, and you see I don't like where that one is, so I'm going to stick down the cupcake. I'm using the Kokio dot liner. I really like this double-sided adhesive tape. For many years I used an ATG tape thing, but I don't know, something happened when I moved to North Carolina and I didn't want that big ATG tape thing anymore. So Sarah Scraps recommended these to me, and I absolutely love them. So I just am sticking everything down here, and then I'm gonna grab my envelope writing pen. I think I only have two more of these left. I cannot seem to find them um, anywhere anymore. Jet Pens is not selling them, and that's where I got them from. They are absolutely one of my favorite pens to journal with, and I'm just gonna do some journaling, and that's it. So I'm gonna throw on a little bit of music, and you can see my sloppy handwriting of journaling, and that is it for this page. Thank you so much for sticking with me, watching my channel, and purchasing from my shop. If you haven't yet and you would love to try out some of your own Tomoe River notebooks, you can check out my shop at rockyournotebook.com, where I have all kinds of different notebooks and papers, and they are all hand stitched so that they lay as flat as possible, like this notebook is laying over here. I hope you enjoyed my little journal with me, and that's all. Bye.